So in this video, we are going to make a review on super.com. So basically, super.com promises a big savings on travels, shopping, and even credit building. But is it legit in 2025? Here's the quick breakdown. So basically, yes, the hotel discounts are real. Users report for savings of 20 to 50% compared to other sites. But always compare prices before booking. So it's a no credit check debit card that helps you build credit and you get cash back, but only at select merchants and decent perks, just not full featured like a real credit card. So, some users report being automatically charged for a monthly subscription after booking. So, you just have to read the fine print and cancel if you're not using it. And is it safe? Yes. Super.com is a legit company with real partnerships. Just be cautious with upsells and opt-outs. So, the final verdict is it is great for hotel deals. Watch out for subscriptions and charges, but it is safe to use. Just stay alert. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.